everyone. Welcome to English-based skill. It's time to learn. Lesson number 5. Reading practice. So are you ready? So let's get started. The sun rises in the east. Repeat again. The sun rises in the east. Now your turn. The sun sets in the west. Repeat again. The sun sets in the west. Now your turn. The moon comes out at night. Repeat again. The moon comes out at night. Now your turn. Fire is hot and gives light. Repeat again. Fire is hot and gives light. Now your turn. Wind can blow things around. Repeat again. Now your turn. Babies grow up over time. Repeat again. Babies grow up over time. Now your turn. Cats like to chase mice. Repeat again. Cats like to chase mice. Now your turn. Earth goes around the sun. Repeat again. Earth goes around the sun. Now your turn. Bees make sweet honey. Repeat again. Bees make sweet honey. Now your turn. twinkle at night. Repeat again. Stars twinkle at night. Now your turn. Rain falls from clouds. Repeat again. Rain falls from clouds. Now your turn. Snow falls when it's cold. Repeat again. Snow falls when it's cold. Now your turn. Dogs bark and wag their tails. Repeat again. Dogs bark and wag their tails. Now your turn. Flowers need sunlight to grow. Repeat again. Flowers need sunlight to grow. Trees have leaves and branches. Repeat again. Trees have leaves and branches. Now your turn. Fish live and swim in water. Repeat again. Fish live and swim in water. Now your turn. We need to eat to be strong. Repeat again. We need to eat to be strong. Now your turn. Water is wet when you touch it. Repeat again. Water is wet when you touch it. Now your turn. We need fresh air to breathe. Repeat again. We need fresh air to breathe. Now your turn. Shoes help us walk and run. Repeat again. Shoes help us walk and run. Now your turn. Rainbows have many colors. Repeat again. Rainbows have many colors. Now your turn. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, stay blessed.